Oh, for fuck's sake. A whole herd of kittens just showed up, and one of them took the whole fucking thing. Where'd he go? Oh my god. That kitten literally. Three other kittens showed up and carried the whole fucking thing. Oh my god, it's all gone. Wow. You're a new one. Who are you? Oh, yes, I've become the cat lady, officially, here in Tino's town. I don't know if that... Are you a vegetarian? I wish I'd gotten that on camera. That was so chaotic. You're cute. And you're kind of mean. I think that was your little kid, and you weren't so nice. Oh, it breaks my heart. It breaks my... Yeah, water. You don't want water? Okay. Probably get in trouble for feeding you my leftovers. Where did that thing go? There. Oh, I saw you. I saw you. Are you the one that did that? You are, aren't you? Hi. You're the one that did that. I know. Oh, God. Well, there goes my... I was worried about leaving leftovers in the fridge. Now I don't have to worry and feel guilty. Oh, shit. I left the door open. Uh-oh. This fucking cat is in here somewhere. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. I don't think you're allowed in here. There's a cat somewhere. I know there is. I know it. God, Kelly. I know there's a cat in here. Hiding. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. I know your other friend is in here, but no, no, I can't. Oh, just another Sunday morning in Tino's. On Tino's. Those little rugrats stealing the whole thing. I hope they're lactose intolerant. Because it was like, I don't know if it was feta cheese or what kind of cheese, pastry. Oh, over and out.